both of you. Yesterday, till where we discussed here, right? Pick selection tool, magic wand tool, and lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Shall I repeat once, or you're clear with this?
No, sir. We are. I am clear with this.
What about
Mandar?
Mandar?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Hello.
Mandar, you're clear with this, or shall I repeat once? Yesterday's session. Hello, Mandar. Hello.
I think it's shortage of network.
Net issue. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Mandar, tell me. You're clear with yesterday's session, or shall I once?
Yes.
Clear? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, clear.
Okay. I'm okay on that. Next tool is crop tool. Crop tool, perspective crop tool, slice select tool. Today we will discuss about these four. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me open one image. This one. Yeah. This image is there. With crop tool, we can reduce the crop. We can reduce the MB with crop tool. You know that, right? Just we can crop. If you click enter, also it will get cropped after cropping. Okay. Once after just cropping like this, and if you double click on this boxes, also it will get cropped.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want to reduce and adjust the image in this, you can do that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. One more. Don't crop. Okay. Yeah. And once you select this crop tool, it's in here you will find some options, ratio. If you want to crop in 1:1 square size, you can crop. Suppose I'm selecting 4:5. Automatically box will come in 4:5 size. In 4:5 size, you can crop it. Understood? Yeah, so many options are there. In which size you want to crop, you can easily crop it. Okay. And here height and width is also there. Suppose 4:5. And with crop tool, we can straighten the images also. Crossed images will be there, no? We can straighten those crossed images also. We'll see.
Okay.
1 minute. I'll show you one more. Open. Okay, we'll select another document. Here. Bye. Not so okay, we take this one. Suppose if I showed you this rectangular marker tool also, right? With rectangular marker tool, what we can do is feather and I'm doing this feather. Okay, feather will be. I'm selecting this one. Control T, I'm pressing. Control T. Control T means transform. Right on. Crop tool shortcut is C. Okay. Crop tool shortcut
C.
C. C. Okay. And transform. To transform an image, Control T is the shortcut key. Control plus T to transform. Is the shortcut key to transform an image. Okay. Control T. What you can do, you can rotate also here. You can rotate like this. Right? Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Once you press enter and Control D. I have done like this, right? With this straighten object in the crop tool, you can straighten the image also. Where you want to straighten, you have to select that one. 1 minute. Achha, why it's coming like this means here option I selected 4:5, right? That's why automatically it's coming. 1 minute. I will remove this option. 1. I'll remove this option ratio. Okay. Yeah. With crop tool, we can straighten this image also. Here. One. Now, where you want to crop? Here I'm selecting one area and straighten. Or we can straighten with rectangular marker tool also. Just press Control T. You can straighten like this one. Actually, why I don't know why this option is not working. Here, if you draw one line and click on straighten, it will come. Okay.
So this white background like that,
white
shadow is coming.
White shadow. Why white shadow is coming? Tell me.
Feather.
Yes, feather. That's what I want.
So we have to add 20, more than 20 or just 20?
It's your wish. You can keep 10 or anything, 10, 30, it's your wish. If you don't want feather, you can avoid that one. By default, it's selected. It's got selected from yesterday. That's why it has come.
Okay.
Okay. This is crop tool. Next
we have the name
perspective crop tool. Crop tool. You understood crop tool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perspective crop tool. For perspective crop tool, I will select one other image. I will open another image. But let us take this mobile only actually. With perspective crop tool, this is also shortcut key is C. If you suppose this crop tool is by default it is selected. If you want to come to perspective crop tool, what you will do? Yesterday I told you. Crop tool shortcut key is C.
Shift plus C, right, sir?
Yes, shift plus C. If you click on shift plus C, perspective crop tool will come. Yeah, see perspective. How it will be, I'll show you. Just give a click. Here also you give a click, mesh will come. Okay. Like this mesh will come. Just click on enter. Like this it will be, perspective crop tool. Understood?
Yeah.
Once again, I'll show you. Just give a click. After that, no need to do any click. Just drag your mouse. Drag your mouse. And again, you click here. Just drag, mesh will come. So click here. Again, you may drag, mesh will come here. Click here. Just click on enter. Like this to perspective crop tool. Okay.
Okay.
Will another image we will take for perspective crop tool. Which one?
Hi, Gaurav.
Take
I'm surprised to see HR here. Yeah, I mean, but it doesn't matter. We still have an incredible new product ready to go.
This is not the image format.
And this restructure includes reducing staffing positions and the number of positions that we can create and not created.
I'm sorry, what?
Thank you for everything you've done now. HR will go over the logistics with you.
And one more thing I want to tell you. For duplicating an image, I told you what is the shortcut key for duplicating the image?
D.
No. I tell you not to work on original image. Always take
Control J.
Control J. If you if I select this with rectangular marker tool, if I want to duplicate this, what I have to do is another option is there. Alt. Click on Alt. And new file, I'll take new file and show you better. This rectangular marker tool is there. I filled this rectangular marker tool. Here is this with Alt backspace. Okay. By default, feather is there. That's why it has come like that. Suppose if you suppose if you want to duplicate this one, just click on Alt. Click on Alt and drag. Okay. Duplicate will come. Again, click on Alt and drag. Another duplicate will come. Removing this feather.
Feel like I got dumb.
So by default, it is coming.
Please don't take it personally.
Alt backspace.
Companies both we are one big family. But when it comes to the crunch now,
Alt. Click on Alt and drag. Alt and drag, duplicate will come. Duplicate will come. This is also another option. Note down right here.
Sorry.
Control
Please get back on call.
plus J for duplicating
I'm okay. I'm just 15 minutes.
an image.
Just give me 15 minutes.
Okay.
I know
Alt
it's important. Give me
plus
15 minutes.
Alt.
There are laws भैया वो मुझे
Let's
डिजॉल्व ही नहीं
drag.
करते
क्यों चिंता करती हो माँ? मैं हूँ ना.
This is also duplicating an image.
यहाँ कोमल अब तो प्रोडक्ट रेडी हो गया ना
Okay.
तो सिर्फ मार्केटिंग वाला
Okay.
इम्पोर्टेंट सो humiliating
यहाँ पर इन बड़ी कंपनीज में इंसानियत
And
कहाँ
this
पे
is
पापा?
also for duplicating
पहले
an
चूस
image.
लेंगे और फिर इसलिए पकड़ा देंगे.
And one more beautiful option I'll show you today. 1 minute. Suppose if you're able to see this photograph, right? Here, with the lasso tool, I will select these plants. I want to remove these plants from here, okay, without disturbing the background. I will remove these plants, okay, without disturbing a background. What I'll do, just a right click here, see carefully, will right click, and here content aware is there, no, content aware. Just click on content aware, click on OK. See, without disturbing the background, it got deleted. Right?
Okay.
The content, beauty of content aware tool.
लॉकडाउन में काम पर नहीं आई तो किस खुशी में पगार देगी अब घर के खर्चे तो कम नहीं होते ना दीदी
Yes.
Yeah, content aware tool to remove an image without disturbing the background.
तुरंत नौकरी मिलेगी आप इतने पढ़े लिखे हो हाँ वो भी प्राइवेट कॉलेज से
Right click, fill, content aware, select
Content
here,
aware.
content aware, click on OK. Automatically, it gets deleted without disturbing the background. Okay.
Yes.
And if you click on Control Z, it will undo the action. Alt Control Z. If you click on Alt Control Z, you can go for first one. Okay.
Alt Control
Alt
J.
Control Z.
Z.
Yeah. Content aware. To delete an object. An object
Was you delight with extra cheese?
without disturbing the
क्या यार रास्ते पर थोड़ी आ गए हम लोग.
background image. Okay.
I know how you feel.
you don't
Control
जॉब मिल जाएगी यार को और मेरी तो कहीं नहीं गई ना. हाँ
plus Z.
thanks for reminding me
मतलब
मतलब मुझे पता है कि
undoing the
मेरी जॉब
action.
गई है तुम्हारी नहीं
मेरी कुछ सेविंग्स है और एक एफडी तोड़ा दूंगा.
कोई जरूरत नहीं आज तक हर एक्सपेंसेस हाफ हाफ
Alt
करते हैं
Control Z.
I understand what
Alt
you're saying, but मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ
It's a charity between
चैरिटी कहाँ से आ गई यार. You're married, right?
exactly
Control-
और शादी में
where is
इक्वल
the
रिस्पेक्ट तभी
disturbance?
होती है जब इक्वल फाइनेंस
Alt Control Z to go to first action.
Sir, some sound is coming. in
Yeah,
background.
Yeah. Sound is coming up.
Yes.
I'm not playing any video. Why? Alt Control Z to go to the first action. Okay. Yeah. Now you understood, right? A crop tool, perspective crop tool. Okay, crop tool, perspective crop tool. Another important option I told you, content aware tool. Okay. Now we will see slice tool. Okay. Slice tool. 1 minute. I'll take another image. Let us take default Photoshop size. Okay. Here, one more thing I want to tell you. Suppose if I want to increase this image, if I want to increase this image, Control plus. Increase the screen size. Control plus. Control plus. If I want to decrease the screen size, control minus. Control minus goes on decreasing. You're seeing?
Yes, sir.
Control plus.
Yes, sir.
I'm clicking on control plus, it will increase. This also you note down. Control plus. Increase the image.
Sir, there is ratio. There is ratio. Some
Ratio. Increase the size. Increase the size of the image. Okay. What you're asking ratio. I'm sure is how much size you want to increase, you can increase. How much size you want to decrease, you can decrease.
okay.
Sir, just a question, like we are editing one image for Insta or Facebook or
Yeah.
something like for brochure.
Okay.
So while doing crop option, do I have to select the ratio or
Yeah,
something like that?
Whatever you see in Google, if you type,
If blank,
yeah, 1 minute. In Google,
Maybe they had some other expectations. Maybe they
One,
felt that
I'll
you
show
can't
you.
take it to the next level or something. पता नहीं है.
Fucking network of product. Environmentally sustainable and ready to launch.
go to Google. If you want the size of Instagram image, Instagram profile image, just in Google you search Instagram
मैं बस ये
profile.
कह रहा हूँ कि employees expendable होते हैं, right? Disposable होते हैं ना.
Like the fucking diapers.
Profile picture size. Okay. Just here you select the 110 by 110 pixel, or Instagram profile photo is 320 by 320 pixel. You can select these measurements with the help of these measurements. You can crop the photo, or you can adjust the photo. If the image size is something else, or also you can readjust the image size with these measurements. Where I will show you.
okay.
If some image, any kind of image, if I take this image, suppose what is the image size here? Default 640 by 800 pixels, right? And here what they are telling 110 by 110, 320 by 320 pixel Instagram profile photo size. Here I will give 320 by 320. Here I'm unable to remove this lock. Here lock symbol is there, no?
Yes.
I'm removing this lock.
I'm getting notification for everything. हर महीने की utility.
1 minute. Lock is not removed. One minute. I have to remove this lock.
I think required to click on that lock.
Yeah, I'm clicking on that lock. One. No. Sorry. Yeah, here I have to unlock. Sorry. Yeah. Now you can image size 320. Why if I double click here?
Background image is locked. Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, that layer is locked.
Layer is locked. Now I removed the layer. I removed.
We have to select one layer, I think. Then.
Yeah. 1 minute. Control J. Image. No. Don't select layer. Image size.
No, still not happening.
320. If I double click. Yeah. Constraint proportions is there. No, you remove this option. Okay,
Okay.
320. Now it will come 320 by 320. Okay, this is the Instagram profile size image.
Okay.
Understood? Yeah, this is the Instagram profile size image. Any kind of image, just you type in Google Facebook profile size image, Facebook profile size. One displays 170 by 170 pixels on your page on computers. Okay, in smartphones it will display as 128 by 128 pixels. Okay, we'll go for 170 by 170 pixel. Let us see. Image, go for image size 170 by 170 pixels. Yeah, Facebook profiles automatically it will take 170 by here. If you go to image and image size, yeah, see 170 by 170 pixels. Automatically it will take as a Facebook profile size image. Understood? Yeah. If you want to increase the size, what I told you, Control plus and Control minus for decreasing the size, decreasing the image size. Okay. And you can adjust, increase the resolution also. Here, if you increase the resolution also, clarity will come. You can increase the resolution also. That's the reason I told you always try to take, always take a duplicate image. Okay. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, we'll go for slice tool. Okay. Slice tool. Okay. I'll take new image, new size. Yeah. I'll use the, what I'll do, I'll select the background color. Sorry. Yeah. Foreground color as black. What is the shortcut key for filling foreground color?
Control backspace.
Yes, control backspace. Control backspace is to fill the background color, I think. Alt
Okay.
backspace. Alt backspace. Alt backspace is to fill the foreground color. Okay. I'm clicking on slice tool. Slice tool is nothing but to cut the image in slices. Okay. Shortcut key is C only. C. This is one slice. This is one slice. This is one slice. This slice tool will be useful in web design. Slice. This is one 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 slice. Okay. Like this, it will be divided into slices. Suppose if you want to select this slice directly, you can't select. Click on Control and select. Okay. I clicked on Control and select. One minute. To select the slices, click on Control and select. Okay. Now, if suppose if you want to resize this slice, then you can resize it. You can, like this, you can resize. It will be useful in web design. Directly, you can't select. Click on Control and select. If you want to increase the slice size, you can increase. If you want to decrease, you can decrease. Okay, if you want to delete also, you can delete it. I'm clicking here with control. I'm clicking on control. I want to delete this slice. Just click on delete. It will get deleted. Control, delete. See, slice got deleted. Okay. Control, delete. The slice got deleted. Like this, it will be. And if I want to clear the all slices, yeah, see here one option is there, clear slices.
Okay.
You can lock the slices, you can clear the slice. All the slices will be cleared. Okay. And one
Yeah.
more slice tool, fixed size, fixed aspect ratio is there. Suppose if you want one slice 2 width 2 and height 4. If you keep like just in that proportion only slices will come. I kept width as
Okay.
2.
Fixed.
4. Yeah, fix it.
Fixed width.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes. Clear slices. Okay, clear. And fix it as fixed size. 64 by 64. I'm giving as 120 by what's 1 minute. 120 by 120. Okay, see 120 by 120, it has come automatically. If you give a single click, it will come. This is 120 pixel by 120 pixel. Okay.
Can we move these slices, sir?
Yes, you can move. Wherever you want to move, you can move, like
just by control we have to select it.
Yes. If you want to reduce the slice size, you can reduce. Here, edit slice options is there, no? Edit slice options. I right click on the slide. Edit slice options. Here you can give some home page. HOME home. Here you can give some URL. Any URL. If you click on that home, that will redirect to that URL.
Okay.
This option is there. And one more option in slice tool, select slice tool. Select slice tool means, what is the difference between slice tool and select slice tool means? In slice tool, if you want to select any slice tool, you are clicking on control and clicking that, right? If you want to select that slice, clicking on control and select. In select slice tool, let me draw some slices. One more, we can do alt, you can press alt and duplicate the slices also. These two slices, I clicked on alt. I'm clicking on alt and duplicating the slices. Okay, I'll show you one thing here. I will clear the slices and view. In view, clear slices. Okay. Slice tool. Yeah. I'm reducing this slice. Just I'm clicking on alt. I'm dragging this. Automatically duplicate slices are coming.
Okay.
Okay. We have seen this slice tool, right? Once we will see how to cut in image format. I will open one image. I will clear all slices. I'll open one image. This image. want some images. So I don't know why it's not getting open. Okay, this image. I want to cut this slice, this image into slices. Okay. Yeah, one slice. I'm clicking on Alt. And selecting another slice, another slice, another slice, another slice. Okay, these many slices I made, and after that, export. Export option is there, no?
Yeah.
In export, 1 minute, 1 minute. Art to illustrators, render video. Acha, in this, that option is not there. In export, you can export this. Actually, I'm not finding this option in this. If you click on export, it will get exported in. It will cut into different pieces. And sorry. Directly they have given in this version. Save for web. Okay, you are able to see this save for web.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm clicking on save for web. Here, please. My daughter is telling something. Okay, here you have to click on JPEGs. You have to select JPEG. Okay.
Okay.
After selecting a JPEG, JPEG, it will you convert to